Hi, and welcome to the Independence Public Library video tutorial on the Beanstack app. This is a way to keep track of your reading and activities online. First, if you don't already have the app, you need to go to your app store and search for Beanstack. And we will click Beanstack Tracker. You will want to get the Beanstack Tracker with the heart icon. Once the Beanstack app is installed, then click the Beanstack app. Once you are in the Beanstack app, click Let's Go. Then at the next page, it gives you 3 options. We will click the first option, which is at my library, school, or bookstore. Once on the next page, swipe to the right and it will take you through the steps on how to work and explore the app. Then we are going to click Find a Site. This is where you will search for the Independence Public Library. Then click the Independence Public Library IA option. Next is signing in. This is where you use your username and password. This is the same username and password as the one you use on a desktop computer. If you haven't created a Beanstack account already, click Sign Up. On this page, we are going to click No. Fill in the required information. Now that you are all signed up, we are going to fill out our reader profile. Now that we are filling out our reader information, click Continue. Then click Add another reader, or I am done adding readers. Here you can view your Beanstack homepage. In the bottom left-hand corner, there is a Community button. This is where you can see the goal for the 2022 Summer Reading Program. If the goal is met, there will be a water fight on August 7th. At the top middle, you can view friends. If you would like, you can add friends to your reading journey here. The leaderboard works if you have added friends to show you the rankings. Next is Discover at the bottom. This is where you can also see your challenges and activities. Next is the Log button at the bottom. If you have logged your titles, this is where you can see what titles you've read and completed. Next, you can view what badges you have earned as well as achievements. Then we're going to view Streak. Streaks is how many days you've read in a row. Next, under Highlights is your stats. At the bottom in the middle is a plus sign. After clicking it, you can either record your reading minutes or activities. When you record your reading, it's up to you whether you want to record the titles of your book or not. If you want to record the title of your book, you can either search your book at the top of the page and choose your book, or you can scan the barcode on the book. If you want to record the title and need help, ask the staff at the library. If you would rather not record the title of your book, you can click Log without a book or title. Here you can record your minutes, how many pages you read, and how many books you have completed. As always, feel free to contact the library if you have any questions.